we are, Cyprus, for the first time. Good flight. Cyprus Bank. Huh.
I don't think we lost. I don't think we're in another time zone.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock, so we're not, huh?
8:30.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, flew in right over the Mediterranean. It's right on the coast. Good, nice airport. Face forward. The Minoans were here too. I wonder if the Minoans were here like they were in Crete. Alright, here we are in Cyprus, having some food. There we go, free tourist map. And there's a fort, we're going to go check that out. And we're having some food. Good food here. Cool little bar. That's a big bar. Good food. So, we're going to check out Larnaca Cyprus. The beach is just beautiful. You can just not drag your sand in the car around. Here we are. Part of Crete, some of the beaches. They were telling us about one area where they have really nice beaches. Might be down there or something. Yeah, you can rent jet skis and everything out there too. Those waters. Very nice. What's that? Oh, okay. Kiosk. Convenience store. Alright, we can go take a look. Huh. Kind of an old Ottoman building or something. Couldn't really see in. There's a youth hostel in there. Look at the metal bars though. Huh. That cool building. Now, we might check into those electric things. Those look like fun. Wonder how far you can go. Very cool. I know, huh? Well, it's a nice hotel we have. That's Larnaca. Got a pool up on the roof up there. We have a pool. Probably the place to be today. We got a pool too. Yeah, nice. A nice hotel, but the internet stinks. The internet has stunk everywhere in Greece and in Cyprus too. At all the hotels that we've had. Last 3 hotels and dirty grout. Which is just really not acceptable. So I'm giving them bad reviews about that. They should fix that. So that's what we got, the air conditioner. So this one has a kitchen. So we got some pasta sauce and stuff because save a little bit. It's a bathroom. Yeah, the grout there, that's really disgusting. The room is nice if they just fix that grout and the internet. So, anyhow, I just go to Starbucks or something. There's a cannon up there, too. An old mosque. Big tanks of water up there. They might just let those tanks heat up by themselves in the sun. Huh. Interesting how they do it. So let's see. I think Beirut is like just that way, I think. Beirut. Out, this is still the island, but out that way. And then Egypt and all them are just out this way. Egypt and Israel. That water's pretty shallow, actually. Huh. See how far out you can go. Huh. Yeah.
Wild waves, man. This is totally kid-friendly.
Oh, yeah. Well, right now.
Couldn't even body surf.
No. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure they get storms though, and that kicks it up. It's not too bad. They said it's great for windsurfing though. They always have strong winds. Pretty shallow. Pretty far out, it's kind of shallow, it looks like. We're just doing a walk along the coast here. This is whitewash buildings. Some of them. That's the main road down there. That's where the airport is.
That's how we landed.
He could have just drove us right here along this main road.
Uh-huh.
10 euros. Yeah, we basically got robbed by the taxi guy. He charged us 20 coming in. And we were told, oh, that's way too much. Should be about 10 or 12.
With the taxi
Stand.
back there.
I know,
The airport,
12.
12 euros.
Yep, so that's what it should cost, so. Anyhow. Yep, so we're just walking over that way. I guess that's toward the airport. I thought it was behind us, but it's not. Yeah, you get all turned around when you're traveling. Yeah, temperature isn't too bad now. It's cooled down a little. Oh, yeah, no.
Backwards.
Oh, there's a lot of fish in here. Little fish.
Oh, yeah.
It's the little ones, I think. Huh.
These are fishing boats here.
Uh-huh, yeah.
The big reels in the front.
Uh-huh. Yeah, there's all the nets. They got a lot of nets and things.
Huh. What those stick shift things are for.
What? Oh, he's probably driving the reel with
That's
it.
probably what it is, huh?
Yeah, he operates it. Huh, be cool to see one of them come in, huh? Yeah, they're just little tiny fishing boats. Huh. Kind of cool. Looks like he's gonna head out and go fishing. Huh. See the water pretty good here. Like some sea, some kind of a bush growing in the water. Look at that. That gas or bubbles coming up. What the heck that is? Huh. Oh, looks like there might be a pipe there or something. Huh. Oh, gas. Bubbles coming up. Yeah, there that guy goes going out to fish. Bubbles are funny. Bubbles coming up. Oh, there's gas under there. Yeah, some more of these boats. And there's a bigger boat over there. Might be like Coast Guard or something. Slush puppy.
Slush puppy, where can you see that?
Over here, this vehicle. A good use for old tires, huh?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, here's the next beach. Wow. Very nice. Oh, sea cruise, diving, fishing, safari. Okay. Atlantis, Viking divers. Okay. Diving. There's a shipwreck off the coast. That's probably what they do. Huh. Yeah, pretty big. Yeah, beaches all the way, I guess. Divers, or diving boats. Somebody just got married. That's a serious limo. Is that a Bentley?
No, that's a Chrysler 300.
Oh, okay. Wow.
That's with the orange.
Yeah, they're
Maybe
just.
they just got married.
Yeah, they just got married. Taxi limo. Cool. Seating. There goes the big ship.
I was like being in a green.
To be on it or what?
No, just here, period.
Oh, I know.
Watching a cruise ship off the coast of Cyprus.
You can see the waves hitting the waves. It's a lot windier today. A lot of headwind. It's almost like it's stopping or something, huh?
Almost like what?
Like it's slowing down.
You might be.
Huh. I mean, he's not really moving that fast.
No.
Barely moving.
Well, they cruise along at about 19 knots, which is around 20 miles an hour.
Huh.
A moped because they're faster than that.
I know. Walk up this thing and see if we pass a walk.